नेशनल द वर्ल्ड बुद्धिस्ट पीस कॉन्फ्रेंस 26 हैदराबाद एंड बुद्धावनम तेलंगाना सम्राट संप्रति म्यूजियम इनॉग्रेटेड बाय पीएम मोदी कोबा गांधीनगर शोकेसेस जैन हेरिटेज प्रमोट डिजिटाइजेशन ऑफ एंशिएंट manuscript houses great Jain manuscript in India साधना सप्ताह 26 नेशन वाइड कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग इनिशिएटिव अंडर मिशन कर्मयोगी अप्रैल 2 से अप्रैल 8 26 टू इम्प्रूव स्किल एंड इफिशियंसी गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉय राजा रवि वर्मा यशोदा एंड कृष्णा पेंटिंग सोल्ड फॉर 167.2 करोड़ बिकमिंग द मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव इंडियन आर्ट वर्क एवर सोल्ड एट ऑक्शन सरपासिंग एमएफ हुसैन ग्राम यात्रा 118 करोड़ NCERT declared deemed to be university by MOE. It can be independently designed course and conduct research and award its own degree. पोषाण पखवाड़ा 26 अहिल्यानगर डिस्ट्रिक्ट महाराष्ट्र टॉप्ड इन इंडिया India's first petroglyph conservation park at Sindhu Ghat in Leh Ladakh. International Film Festival of Delhi 26 first edition held by Bharat Mandapam in New Delhi. Rekha Gupta inaugurated focus country Spain opening film Sirat, closing film Amoeba. India set a goal to establish at least one blood center in every district by December 26. In Polity Governance, Income Tax Act 25 came into force 1 April 26, replacing the Act 61 Act. Reduce complexity. Total section reduced from 819 to 536 chapter from 47 to 23 to eliminate redundancy. The tax year concept, confusing dual terminology, assessment year and previous year, were replaced by a single unified tax year 1 अप्रैल से 31 मार्च. Standard deduction increased from 50,000 to 75,000 from salary individual. Tax free threshold upcoming income up to 12 lakh is now effectively tax free via enhanced rebate. Justice यशवंत वर्मा of Allahabad High Court resigned under आर्टिकल 217 सब क्लॉज 1 का ए एमिड कैश एट होम कंट्रोवर्सी एंड इम्पीचमेंट प्रोसीडिंग. न्याय सेतु AI चैटबॉट लॉन्च्ड बाय मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ लॉ अंडर दिशा प्रोग्राम विथ मास्कट दीक्षा टू प्रोवाइड मल्टीलिंगुअल रियल टाइम लीगल असिस्टेंस टू सिटीजन. राइट टू सेफ ट्रैवल अंडर आर्टिकल 21 SC लद्दाख 5 न्यू डिस्ट्रिक्ट नुब्रा साम चंगथंग जास्कर द्रास now total 7. SC allowed a 15-year-old minor to terminate a 31-week pregnancy, upholding reproductive autonomy under Article 21. Online Gaming Authority of India operational from 1 May 26 under 25 Act. छत्तीसगढ़ UCC framework under CM विष्णु देव साई. 131 Constitutional Amendment Bill defeated in Lok Sabha. South delimitation based on 2011 census and expansion of Lok Sabha seat from 543 to 850. मेघालय approved खासी गारो as official language alongside English. Permanent passed the Jan Vishwas Amendment Bill decriminalizing 1717 provision across 79 laws to improve ease of doing business and living scheme and initiative. Samriddhi Gram initiative, a dot-led initiative nominated for WSIS 26 prize, uses a Pegital physical and digital model to deliver healthcare, education and e-commerce service through village level. Samriddhi Kendra powered by BharatNet. PMGSY 3 extension March 28 with the outlay increase 83,977 crore. Bani scheme All India Council for Technical Education launched 3rd edition of AICTE. Bani vibrant advocacy for advancement and nurturing of Indian language to promote Indian language in technical education. First edition launched in 24. Atal Pension Yojana launched 2015 for unorganized worker crossed 9 करोड़ इनरोलमेंट्स बाई अप्रैल 21-26, रिकॉर्ड 1.35 करोड़ एडेड इन फाइनेंशियल ईयर 25-26, गारंटी 1,000 से 5,000 पेंशन आफ्टर 60. E-Safe Her initiative launched by Reliance Foundation and CDEC Hyderabad under Mighty ISEA program target to train 1 million rural women cyber sakhi over a period of 3 years. Saral AI in an ANRF-led initiative that uses AI to convert complex scientific paper into videos, podcasts, and posters across 18 Indian languages, making high-level research understandable for every citizen. Prashast 2.0, launched by NCERT, an upgraded digital platform for early screening of a case disability in school children. Kar Sathi AI tax platform, an AI-powered assistance launched by Income Tax Department to simplify direct tax compliance and provide 24/7 taxpayer support. Relief scheme expanded to Jordan and Egypt, launched by Ministry of Commerce under the Export Promotion Mission to support exporters and ensure supply chain resilience amid global disruption. Science and Tech Artemis 2 mission, a historic 10-day crewed lunar flyby mission, marked the first time human traveled to the vicinity of Moon in over 50 years since Apollo 17 in 1972. The crew: Reed Wiseman, Commander NASA, former Chief Astronaut; Victor Glover, Pilot NASA, the first person of color to participate in lunar mission; Christina Koch, Mission Specialist, NASA, the first woman to participate in lunar mission, also hold the record for the longest single space flight by a woman; Jeremy Hansen, Mission Specialist, CSA, the first Canadian to fly to the moon; World First 10 Giga Nation, UAE launched World First Ultra-Fast U6 GHz Internet Network, achieving 10 Giga connectivity infrastructure. Japan has deployed its first long-range domestically produced Type 12 land-to-ship missile. Bangladesh began uranium fuel loading at Unit 1 of the Ropur nuclear power plant, moving closer to becoming 33rd country to generate nuclear electricity. China discovered a new lunar mineral, cerium magnesium changesite. Finland built the world's first permanent underground nuclear-waste repository, Onkalo, to safely store radioactive waste for up to 100,000 years. China's iron battery, a cheaper alternative to lithium-ion battery for energy storage. China developed zero-carbon emission direct coal fuel cell, ZCDCFC, a technology that converts coal directly into electricity without burning, reducing emission and improving energy efficiency. NASA completed the assembly of Nancy Grass Roman Space Telescope, expected to map space 1,000 times faster than Hubble after its planned 2026 launch. US announced plans to deploy a space nuclear reactor in orbit by 2028 and on the moon by 2030 for future space mission. SpaceX launched the Rosalind Franklin rover to Mars in 2028 under the ExoMars program to search for signs of past or present life. First malaria drug for infants, Protem baby, Artemether lumefantrine, developed by Novartis. Japan Lunar Ring Project, एन 11,000 किलोमीटर सोलर पैनल built around the moon to transmit clean energy to Earth via microwaves or laser. China humanoid robot Flash completed a 21 किलोमीटर हाफ मैराथन इन 50:26, surpassing the human record 57:20 set by Jacob Kiplimo. Meta Muse Spark, Meta first proprietary multimodal reasoning model 26 uses a parallel agent to deliver personal super intelligence across social app and smart hardware.